So in this video, you'll learn how to return the controller stick to its default settings on your Nintendo Switch 2 console. So if you've customized any of these controller sticks and you want to take them back to their default state, then it's fairly simple. You're going to navigate to the settings menu, and once you're in the settings menu, you're going to scroll down until you find controllers and accessories. From here, scroll even further until you find calibrate control sticks, and you're going to select it. And then you're going to select the one that you're going to be resetting back to default, whether it's the left or for the right. And how you're going to select it is by simply just moving the control stick, following these motions of that image. Once you've done that, you can then see this menu appearing, and you'll notice that same control stick that you previously selected, when you move it around, it's the one that's highlighting. If you try with the other control stick, you'll see it's not been selected, which means you can't reset that back to default. So from here, what you're going to do is simply press on Y on your console, and then you're going to confirm that you wish to take it back to default. Wait a few moments as it's being taken back to default, then select OK, and you'll have successfully restored the default settings of that control stick. If you want to do the same for the other side, you can just press on B to go back. When you're in this menu, follow through the motions of selecting the joystick or the control stick. And once it's been selected and you can see it's moving around whenever you're taking it around in circles, you're going to press again on Y, confirm your choice, wait a few moments, select OK, and that will take both of the control sticks back to default on your Nintendo Switch 2 console. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.